can help you find lost items. When I have searched high and low for my items that I lost in my house, my mom is always the one who I always turn to, as she has these uncanny superpowers to locate missing belongings quickly. In fact, several days ago, she helped me find my iPad in several minutes after I had been looking for it in vain. Did you lose anything important before? Yes, I had a frightening experience 4 years back in China when I realized I had lost my passport at the currency exchange counter in my hotel. Fortunately, with the help of the CCTV team, I was able to locate the corner of the poor bar where I had gone for a dip in the night before. Have you found anything valuable before? Yes, I have found valuable items on a couple of occasions in the past. Most recently, I have spotted a lost wallet which has hundreds of dollars inside as I was in my university restroom. I then brought it to the faculty office to have it returned. Just a few hours later, the wallet's owner called and thanked me profusely. He even popped into my class to give me a cup of coffee, as well as $20 reward. If you lost your phone, what could you do? If I were to lose my phone, I could Google Find My Phone, which will provide me its last known location. In fact, 2 years ago, I just did that and found my phone at a local pub where I met my friends the weekends prior.